and even adjust their cycle based on the type and amount of clothes you're washing, ensuring your garments are always treated with care. These devices, and countless others like them, are transforming our homes into interconnected hubs of information. They collect data, analyze it, and use it to streamline our lives. They learn from us, adapting to our habits and preferences to make everyday tasks easier and more efficient. But it's not just about convenience. IoT devices can also contribute to our safety. Think of a smart smoke detector that doesn't just beep when there's smoke, but alerts you on your phone even when you're not home. Or a security camera that can differentiate between a burglar and a stray cat, sending you alerts accordingly. The possibilities are virtually endless, and we're only scratching the surface of what IoT can do. As technology continues to evolve, we can expect our homes to become even more connected, more intelligent, and more attuned to our needs. So it's not just about your fridge talking back to you, it's about your whole house becoming a part of your digital team. So, what have we learned today? We've delved into the fascinating world of the Internet of Things, or IoT, a concept that's revolutionizing our everyday lives. By connecting everyday appliances to the internet, we're seeing a transformation like never before. Our homes are becoming smarter, our lives easier. Take your fridge for instance. It's no longer just a cold storage unit, it's a smart device that can track what's inside it, alerting you when you're running low on certain items. It can even suggest recipes based on what you have. The benefits are immense. Not only do we save time and effort, but we also reduce waste and improve efficiency. We're stepping into an era where our devices work for us, making our lives more streamlined and convenient. So, next time your fridge tells you you're out of milk, don't be surprised. It's just the Internet of Things hard at work.